National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, northwestern Carter County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Stevens County in southern Oklahoma until 11 p.m. At 10:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles southeast of Comanche, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.